Yeah, they can take a pinch.
Mommy,
Yeah.
Take a pinch.
do they pop?
Grab a pinch, Mason.
Mommy,
Go ahead.
which one is the watermelon?
This one's the watermelon.
And this one falls. This one? What is this one?
You don't like it?
This one.
You okay?
I don't.
You don't like
Pop
it?
in your mouth.
No, I don't like it.
You don't like the taste?
Try a
What
different
did you
flavor.
try?
She tried the green one. Try the pink
Try
one.
the next one. You don't like that it pops in your mouth, huh?
I like the pink one.
Try that one.
Me? This one?
Yeah.
This one's the pink one.
This is the red one.
No, it's not. It's pink.
Yeah, that one's the one that came in the red package. This one came in a green package, and this one came in a blue package.
Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Which one is this?
That one is the one that strawberry.
That's purple?
That's strawberry.
What is this?
Put it on your tongue and stick your tongue out.
This one's blue raz,
But how is it
strawberry,
green?
and this one is watermelon.
I
It's supposed to be blue.
And this and this. It's green.
Mhm.
It's yummy.
Eat some more.
You want to put a whole bunch in your mouth?
Put a whole bunch in your mouth at one time.
You want to pour it in?
It's crazy.
You going to pour it in your mouth? There's the little daredevil.
Oh.
She's like, "Here,
Okay,
get it out."
let's see. Open your mouth. Oh.
She's putting them all in.
Mhm. Okay, let's hear it. Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
She's like, I'm gonna chew on them.
Open your mouth.
Open. Open.
Oh, you feel it?
Open it.
She likes it.
I guess we're all Emmys.
Aw, sweetheart.
Do you hear it?
You got hurt
Did you hurt
again?
yourself on the TV?
Oh no.
You guys gotta be careful.
You see, I'm the only one that gets hurt.
You've always said that,
Aw.
but then someone else is always either getting hurt right after you or right before you. And you
How'd you
just
get
don't
hurt?
remember.
He swung into the television corner. You don't want to try any more Pop Rocks?
I tried them all.
Oh, okay. You want any more,
Yeah.
Emily?
I want to do the other thing.
What anything? You could have a surprise.
Yeah.
They won't scoot in.
What are you doing, Mommy? Goodies.
Are you sick? remember?
Boogies.
I didn't see that.
Give me your hand.
She's like freaking out.
Because they're sticky.
My nose.
Oh, sicko.
Back away.